Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about casual beautiful shoulder bags for women, royal bags, new style bags, unique different bags ideas. A handbag bag, commonly known as a purse or pocketbook. The term purse ordinarily refers to a small bag for holding coins. In many English-speaking countries, it is still used to refer to a small money bag. A handbag is a larger accessory that holds objects, currency such as personal items. African English typically uses the term purse and handbag. The term handbag began appearing in the early initially it was most often used to refer its man-hand luggage. Women bags grow larger, more complex, and the term was attached to the accessory pocket bag. Book is another term as a woman's bag that was commonly used on the east coast of the United States. Early modern European wore purses for one sole purpose to carry coins. Purses were made of soft fabric and unique worn by men as often as ladies. Uh, this is also helped them make very beautiful handbags.